Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Thursday, April 24th. Stocks concluded Thursday's trading with a healthy gain. Selling pressure had kept the stock market in negative territory for the majority of the morning, but sentiment turned positive when buyers returned to the fold to lift stocks into the green. Large-cap tech names helped the NASDAQ outperform the Dow Jones and S&P 500. Apple and Qualcomm both provided soft earnings outlooks after yesterday's close, but still attracted buyers. The strength of the two names helped lift the NASDAQ nearly 1%. However, financials, which were up 3.8%, led the market for the entire session. At its session high, the sector climbed more than 4%, aided by Merrill Lynch's reassurance that it is not cutting its dividend. A&G and Citigroup were among the strongest performers in both the financial sector and the S&P 500. Dow component 3M trailed the broader market and concluded this session lower, despite announcing better than expected first quarter earnings results. Also underperforming the broader market, Starbucks finished the session with a substantial loss after the company guided its earnings outlook below consensus forecasts. The dollar rallied 1% against a basket of leading world currencies. The greenback's gain helped put downward pressure on oil, which closed $2.22 lower at $116.09 per barrel. Oil's pullback helped fuel buying interest in stocks, although the energy sector suffered a 2.2% loss. New home sales totaled 526,000 during March, declining 8.5% from February. On average, economists expected an annualized sales pace of 580,000 units. Sales in February were revised lower to show a 5.3% decline from January to an annualized rate of 575,000 units. Separately, durable goods orders for March slipped 0.3%, but climbed 1.5% when excluding transportation. Economists forecast orders would be unchanged for the month. Excluding transportation, economists predicted orders during March would climb 0.5%. February's orders were revised from a decline of 1.7% to a decline of 0.9%. Weekly initial jobless claims came in at 342,000 for the week ending April 19th, which was well below the 375,000 claims economists were expecting, and a far cry from the 2001 recession when weekly claims typically rose above 400,000. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening, and have a good evening.